And welcome back. So we did have a lot of cloud coverage made our way through the day today, and a few snow showers. Most of the snow did stay into the sandhills north of I-80, but from the I-80 corridor points off to the south, we did have some light snow showers at times with a clearing trend as we make our way into the evening. So the official high temperature today was 37, but we did fall into the lower 30s by the afternoon. High temperatures outside of North Platte, mid-30s, Ogallala, Imperial, also around 36 degrees at Valentine, Broken Bow, and Lexington, with Thetford at 35. Here's a look at the current temperatures at 24 in North Platte. We're the warm spot, but 21 at Broken Bow, Lexington, Imperial, and only into the mid to upper teens from Ogallala all the way up toward Valentine, all the points in between. So we still have that wind direction mainly from a northerly or northwesterly flow, still continuing to pump in a little bit of cool air, but the winds have died down a little. Winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and as for the Doppler radar, we do have mainly clear skies as you make your way into the northern sandhills, clear skies off to the south of I-80, and mostly clear to partly cloudy skies most everywhere else you look. Let's take a look at across the country. We have this low pressure system move through with the snow showers today. It's now washing out to our south, and the main weather maker across the country still giving some snow and rain into the Midwest and Northeast. High pressure is working its way in. We're briefly on its cool side for the day tomorrow before we get back to warm air with a nice southerly wind as we go through tomorrow and beyond. Here's a look at the weather outlook as we make our way through the rest of the work week. So that cool air does just settle in off to our south and to our east as the system continues to bring snow into the northern plains and southern Canada with rain across the eastern half of the country, but dry and mild air. A nice ridge in the jet stream will be our weather as we finish out the work week and then go through the weekend. So the skycast for tonight shows that we will continue to be completely clear. That's going to be the story as temperatures will fall back to around 10 degrees for an overnight low. But that wind does flip around to more of a westerly direction, maybe a little southerly as we go through the day tomorrow. So that will warm us up. So slightly cool for this time of year, we'll say, with temperatures mainly into the upper 30s, maybe even some areas near 40 with a good amount of sunshine as we go through the afternoon on Friday. Clear skies lasting through Saturday with temperatures into the mid to upper teens to start. And then as we make our way through the afternoon on Saturday, some of the warmest air we have so far with the winds mainly from a southerly direction with that sunshine, with some of us getting back to near 50 degrees. So we are just have a brief cool down as we make our way through the overnight and through the day tomorrow. High pressure cresting over us and then moving off to the east. Winds mainly from a southerly direction as we go through the end of the weekend and to start next week. So let's take a look at the weekend weather. So that rain is still around into the southeast, but that Arctic cold is still up into Canada as we continue to be relatively mild with those 40s to near 50 degrees. That ridge is right over us, but taking a look off to the west, we got that moisture feedback over the west coast and some cooler air. We're going to tap into some of this moisture and cool down as we go through midweek next week. So until then, we are back to sunshine and warmth. We're going to be dry as we make our way through not only the weekend, but for Monday and Tuesday, with temperatures into the 40s to even lower 50s. And then as we go through mid next week, we are watching for cooler air and some more snow. So let's take a look at that forecast. Near 40 tomorrow, near 50 for Saturday with sunny to mostly sunny skies. A brief cool down, partly cloudy, a high 44 Sunday, but then right back into the upper 40s Monday and Tuesday. Monday has mainly sunny skies. Tuesday, partly cloudy with some rain showers later in the day, turning over to some snow. A little windy on Wednesday with a high of 32, and then 35 for Thursday with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Kent?
It's certainly too early to tell about what's going to happen next week, so just enjoy the warmer, dry weather while we have it.
Yep, it looks like another spring system, so yeah, enjoy the 40s to near 50, and could get some moisture next Wednesday.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. A streaming service, online music, even your